To make this drink, we're gonna need some white chocolate, candy canes, small marshmallows, chocolate powder. I got Mexican chocolate, infused candy cane vodka, coffee, and some Kahlua. In a plastic bag, I'm gonna have the candy cane. I'm gonna crush them. This is gonna help me speed up the process of infusing the vodka. I'm using a plastic bottle here. Now I'm gonna transfer it into an empty bottle. Next, I'm gonna add the vodka. Once it's infused, it's gonna look like that, red color. Now in a microwave sample, I'm gonna add the chocolates. Then I'm gonna put it on top of some boiling water. This is gonna help us melt the chocolate. And this is the texture we're looking for. Now in our mold, I'm gonna use the spoon to spread it evenly around. This is gonna take some practice. After we're done, we're gonna put this on the freezer for about 5 minutes. And we're doing a second round so our molds won't break when we take them out. Alright, second round, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna spread it evenly, especially at the top part, because it's the one that we're gonna use to seal them. Make them smooth. Freeze it for another 5 minutes. Once it's done, they look like this. Now it's time to take them out of the mold. I find this satisfying. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for the tools and equipment that I use to make this video. Now using a torch and a surface, we're gonna make a hat to melt the edges. We're gonna do one side first. Alright, now time to fill them up. I'm adding cocoa powder first. Next, we're gonna crush peppermints. And this is the time I realized I had to make a coffee one. I'm a coffee lover, so I really had to do a coffee one. I'm adding coffee instead of cocoa powder. Same, I'm adding crushed candy canes. And last, I'm adding some marshmallows. Now time to seal. I think this is the hardest part. We're gonna smooth the edge, then we're gonna sandwich them together. Sometimes they break, so just be careful at this point. Now using the back of a spoon, I'm gonna spread some chalk on top of it. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed candy canes and some coffee for this one, so I know which one is the coffee one. And this is the end product. This is how it looks like. For the next one, I'm gonna use same technique, back of a spoon, spread some chocolate around it. But for this one, I'm gonna coat it with green sugar, red sugar, and some crushed peppermint. And this is how this one looks like. And you can be creative for this. Now in a coffee mug, I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of infused candy cane vodka. Next, we're gonna add hot milk. And this is the fun part. Now all you gotta do is mix it. Dissolve the chocolate that settles at the bottom. Once it's dissolved, we're good to go. Now for the next one, we're gonna have 1 ounce of Kahlua and 1 ounce of the candy cane infused vodka. Same, we're gonna add hot milk to it. And once again, watch the magic happen. And remember, this one is the coffee one. We're gonna dissolve it. And that's how you make a hot chocolate bomb. It's really fun to make, delicious, really tasty. You can make it for people as a present. And if you guys wanna see me making another video similar to this, just different flavors, let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to make it. It's a lot of fun. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you wanna learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And as always, until the next one, cheers.